Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. Anyway, this is a simple juice, healthy juice that you can have in the morning for your breakfast, and hopefully you guys will like this one. Thank you so much to tune into my show and watching and leaving your comments. It's just brilliant. Thank you guys one more time again from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Stay tuned. Nice one. So today we're gonna make you a natural healthy juice: melon, pineapple, spinach, ginger, and lime. Ice, mango juice. This is some melon right here. First thing we're going to do is this: put 2 pieces of ice in the Ninja blender. That's it. See, 2 pieces of ice. Second thing, cut off 3 pieces of ginger, fresh ginger, guys. This one is really fresh and nice. And second thing, what we want to do is next is put a handful of spinach straight inside of the blender, just like this. And look at that, beautiful and nice. All right, that's what you want to do. Okay. Next we're also going to do is get the melon. This is the red one. Cut it up very small and put it straight inside of the blender, just like that. And right over here, this is the yellow melon. We are gonna put this also inside of it. Nice one. Some people they call this also cantaloupe, and some people call it Julie melon, but they're all melon. This is 3 pieces of pineapple. Also, we're gonna put inside of it. Lovely. Let's cut it up very small, because you don't want to get them too chunky to put them inside of it. Nice one. Then get your lime or your lemon, whatever you want to use, and squeeze something like this. This is what we're going to do. Beautiful, natural, healthy juice. Where you can make this one at home, guys. It's just fantastic to have something totally different sometime as it goes along. The next thing, we're gonna put 2 pieces of ice on top of it. Sink it down, straight down inside of it, just like that. And then pour some mango juice to get a lovely flavor from it. And get your Ninja smoothie cover, and then you're gonna do a simple cover just like this. And blend this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Lovely. So I just finished blending it, and honestly, guys, it's just amazing to know what you can do at home in your kitchen with drinks and natural stuff. So I just finished blending it, and all I'm going to do is pour it straight inside of my smoothie in my glass. Look at the color. Look at the color. Oh my days, that is beautiful, smooth, nice. And all you can do, basically, you can also cut a nice, lovely chunky piece of a lime and serve it like this. Fantastic recipe, guys. So enjoy the recipe. Please leave your comments below, and thank you so much for tuning into my show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe and tips coming out your way. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.